What I'm going to do is show you how we do some preservation with old letters. This is a wonderful collection of Reconstruction era letters that really pertain to this area. This one is dated September 1866, but they've been folded so they're creased and they're very, very dry. We're going to attempt to add some humidity to this letter so that we'll be able to fold it flat and preserve it in a way so that it'll be readable and eliminate the creases. The first thing I'm going to do is try to straighten it out enough to get it in the humidifier very, very carefully. You can see how creased it is. Very gently, because it has been folded for many years. Okay, I'm going to very carefully lay it on a plastic sheet that's inside this plastic container. To figure out which way to fold it best. All right. I'm going to place it in this larger plastic container with a ½ inch to 1 inch of water. The rocks are going to hold the plastic container up out of the water. When I place it here, I'm going to be able to put the top on it, and this is really going to be a humidifier. All right, we've let our letter humidify for a while in our chamber, several hours, maybe all day. Now we're ready to open up and see what we have. I'm going to lift it by this plastic. Okay, it feels limp, so that's good. What I have is blotting paper. It was actually purchased for this project. This is probably your biggest expense, will be some kind of blotting paper. I want to lay this out flat between 2 sheets of blotting paper. I'm going to make sure I don't have any creases. And then I have a weight to lay over my blotting paper. I actually have some tempered glass. So our document has been in the blotting paper now for overnight or maybe even 2 days. The goal, of course, is to get all of the excess moisture out, and it's under this weight so it'll be flattened. We're just going to lift it and see what we have. If I'm not happy with the results, I could repeat the procedure, but given what it looked like before, I think it looks pretty good. I'm going to put it in some kind of Mylar case so that it can be handled and transcribed, and it'll be ready to file.